warning in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. What? South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour. Where? Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, and Perry counties in Missouri, and Union, Jackson, Perry, Jefferson, Franklin, Williamson, Johnson, Saline, Hamilton, and Wayne counties in Illinois when until 1 p.m. this afternoon. A wind advisory or additional high wind warning will be required after 1 p.m. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The current time is 10.